In 1927, Sir Henry Seagrave broke the 200-mile-per-hour barrier at Daytona Beach in Florida, and at the time became the fastest man on Earth. The machine that took him there? The Sunbeam 1000 horsepower, nicknamed the Slug for its looks. It was the first car in the world to break the 200-mile-per-hour barrier.
It's equivalent to the moon landings, if you like. It was right up there with the height of technology. No other car had gone that fast on the planet, so it's a very important thing.
Ian Stanfield is the senior engineer at the National Motor Museum, and he explained how the workshop team here had to rely on their experience alone to restore the car's rear engine, ready for its first start in public in 90 years.
There's no such thing as a Haynes manual for a 1000 horsepower Sunbeam, so we thought we had to check it out. We checked it out, thought not quite happy with that, so we'll take the engines out, clean them, free them off, lubricate them and put them back in. But once we'd got that far, we decided as a centenary is coming up, we might as well do it properly.
When I first saw the Sunbeam this morning, the first thing that struck me was the sheer scale of it. It is absolutely massive. And to put it into context, my car at home used to have a 1-litre 3-cylinder engine that made about 90 horsepower. This has currently got a 22.5-litre 12-cylinder engine, and when they finish restoring it, it'll have 2 of them.
The plan is to take it back to Daytona Beach to commemorate its centenary of when it took the land speed record in 1927.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, fairly obviously, I couldn't compete with an old aero engine, so what I was trying to say to you was that it's not just the noise that hits you, it's the smell as well, the vibrations, the whole visceral experience. It was phenomenal. And to think Sir Henry would have been sat between 2 of them on his record attempt 100 years ago, very nearly, is really quite incredible to think about. Josh Bowness, BBC South Today, Beaulieu.